Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. This video explains how to add plugins to Mainstage step by step. Mainstage uses audio units, abbreviated O, as its native plugin format. Plugins must be 64-bit and compatible with your Mac OS and Mainstage version to load correctly. On your Mac, O components install into system folders like /library/audio/plugins/components, or your user folder at ~library/audio/plugins/components. Knowing these locations makes troubleshooting easier and prepares you for installation and validation in the next steps. First, close Mainstage before installing any plugin components on your Mac. Place the component file into /library/audio/plugins/components or into ~library/audio/plugins/components for a single user. After copying files, restart Mac applications and then launch Mainstage again to trigger plugin scanning. If Mac OS requests permission, grant it for the installer or plugin. In Mainstage, use the O validation or Audio Units Manager. Open your Mainstage console and select a channel strip where you want the plugin. Click an Audio FX slot and choose Audio Units, then locate the vendor and plugin name to insert it. Route incoming MIDI to that channel strip by setting the channel and source in the Channel Inspector. Load or create a preset and adjust parameters to taste while monitoring for CPU load and latency. Finally, save your concert and back up the concert file, plus any user plugin settings to avoid losing work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.